Something new in the tillage lineup for Case IH is the Nutri-Tiller 1000 series. All new redesigned strip till unit from Case IH. Prior to the Nutri-Tiller 1000 series, we had the Nutri-Tiller 955, which we still offer today. That Nutri-Tiller 955 is a tool where we're setting the depth across the wing sections. Makes nice strips, but not near as clean or precise or consistent as what we offer on the Nutri-Tiller 1000 series. So one thing that makes that possible with this is really the heart of this Nutri-Tiller 1000 series is the row unit. We offer 12 inches of row unit travel on that parallel link design on the row unit. We go 6 inches up, 6 inches down. The residue managers up front with pneumatic control to adjust where those need to be. We got pneumatic control on the row units, so we can adjust how much down pressure we have on each row unit. And then we also have pneumatic control for the optional strip keepers. Pneumatic control down pressure on the berm builder and berm conditioner. It's all adjustable from the cab on an any ISO bus display. To ensure that consistency out the back as changes happen through the field. So this first go around, we're going to launch 2 models. The 1010 is a 6-row rigid mounted model on 30-inch configuration, and then the second model is the 1030, which would be an 8-row and 12-row folding mounted unit, all on 30-inch row configurations. We don't offer, right now, we won't offer a fertilizer solution from the Case IH factory, but we'll offer a hitch to either put a dry cart or a liquid tank on. And then again, with our Case IH dealer, we do have some aftermarket parts for controllers and stuff too, and we'll be having kits available to make that Case IH that one-stop shop for your strip till needs. So horsepower requirements, we offer a Coulter only machine. That's going to be about 20 engine horse per row. The shank machine, which is standing behind me, is going to be upper end of 40 horse power requirement per row. Timing wise, we'll have a limited availability for use this fall. But our dealers will be able to order. You'll be able to go see your Case IH dealer and order beginning May 1st for delivery for spring use of 2027. We're hearing more and more, and especially as commodity prices are lower, farmers looking to improve their margins a little bit. That's where I think strip till really comes into play. We talk about fertilizer utilization, fertilizer use efficiency, strip till with that root zone banding, being able to possibly reduce the amount of fertilizer you're going to put down, but not give up that yield potential. And really with strip till, you're gaining the benefits of no-till and tillage together, especially in northern climates as Michigan. You need that soil to warm up as fast as you can, so you can get in there to plant as quick as you can. So that's really where the strip till comes in. It gives you that tillage to make that soil blacker, provide that earlier, faster emergence that we're looking for, but also that ability, especially later in the growing season, you have that amount of residue between the rows to help conserve moisture as well too. You can run in the spring or the fall. Most folks will probably run a shank machine in the fall, and that's one of the beauties of the Nutri-Tiller 1000 series is if you have a shank machine, maybe winter comes early, you can't get all your acres covered, you do have the ability to convert the shank machine over to a Coulter only machine. The residue managers up front with the pneumatically controlled adjustment for your residue managers. The front Coulter with the depth band that's going to control that depth for that row unit ride, that provide that 6 inches of row unit travel up and 6 inches down. Then we come back to our optional strip keepers, optional on the shank machine, standard on the Coulter only, to provide that extra tillage, help reduce some clod sizing out the back to provide that good seed bed. That is pneumatically controlled down pressure as well. We have the airbag here for pneumatic down pressure on the row unit. And then as we come back to the berm builder, which is adjustable to adjust what you want your width of that strip to be, and then the height of that berm. That's what we have here. And then the berm conditioner out the back of the machine. That also is controlled pneumatically for down pressure to provide that consistent output out the back of the tool. Yep, so we can narrow them in. There's some toolless adjustment there. As you move them in, you can narrow that strip up. There's a depth adjustment as well too, if you want to change that depth or adjust your berm height. In addition, on the row unit, you'll notice there's no grease zerks, no maintenance. We're using hardened steel bushings. Been running them over tens of thousands of acres. Everything's lived up pretty good, so maintenance free. Don't have to worry about greasing anything every morning. For more information, come and visit us at caseIH.com or go see your local Case IH dealer.